Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the third course in computer science. We are learning the basis that allows you to be interested and passionate about computer science and software development. So we have seen first, what is software development in general, what it is, and then we have seen what is the modern web development, which is separated into front end and back end development. So now I just want to focus on the front end part. This will be the main discussion in the next videos. Okay. So what is front end development? Let's get more into it. So we have seen it works with JavaScript, and so JavaScript is the language used for any websites. Okay, any websites on the web, it uses JavaScript. And JavaScript works with HTML and CSS. So, the base, of course, the base of your web page, it will be into HTML and CSS. This is the language. It's a different kind of language. We call it XML language. Okay. You can look into it. You can just make a little research about HTML and XML. It's not really a language, but still it's a language. It speaks to the browser, and this is where you will put your titles, your divisions in your page. So when you see like a certain frame in the page, but that can be a div tags. There are different tags in HTML, and then the CSS, it gives the colors, the styling of your different divisions and different components in the page. But when it comes to JavaScript, it's really to make the more complex functions of your page. So let's say you want to put an animation, you want a menu to develop, right? Let's say you click a button and you want to do something. So it won't be HTML and CSS doing that, because HTML and CSS is really just the appearance, the appearance that remains still. It's the colors, the styling, the text that you put, the different divs that you want in some places, but it won't make your page dynamic. So you make your page dynamic with JavaScript. So you make functions. So what happens when I click on that button? Here comes JavaScript. I want to implement a function for that button or for anything on your page. It can be a click somewhere. It can be when you are hovering a specific frame, right? A specific component in your page or division, right? These are more like synonyms I'm using. So that's why we need JavaScript. There's no dynamic web pages online without JavaScript. But you could have pages without JavaScript, just HTML, CSS, but it would be, a very a page that is just remains still, as it is, like. But you can still do some things with CSS, though. Still a little bit of things with CSS. There's some little functions you can do in CSS, but it's really about JavaScript. So just wanted to summarize about the front end in JavaScript. Obviously, when you want to get some data from your database, from the backend, we spoke about the backend, you will use JavaScript. We will use what is called AJAX, which will make HTTP requests to a service, to an endpoint in the backend. So we can talk more about that in a next video. So it's really just to give you a good idea, summarizing, and then you make your researches about the keywords that you have heard. Read about it, try something. You can go on W3 School and try some things of the CSS, of this HTML, then see some JavaScript functions, and you're going to forward. You're forwarding, man. That's really good. Congratulations. So I really want to congratulate you to watch the course 3 to become a software developer, or simply, you know, to understand much better about what it is software development. It is present in every companies nowadays. So it's great that you follow this course that is free. You can also tell your friends, right? Share in the comments, share with the community what you found out, what you find interesting, all that, okay? Take care. It was a real pleasure to talk with you today. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.